What are you doing? Come on, Lynn. Come on. Mommy and Daddy gotta go run an errand before Daddy has to go work. Come on. Morning, guys. It is Tuesday. My days are like falling together. It's Tuesday. Ian and I are gonna go get some lunch, and then he has to go to work in a little bit. I have to finish packing up some Etsy orders and then go drop those off at the post office later. So it's gonna be a fun-filled day of getting stuff done. And yeah, for right now, we're just gonna go get some lunch. So Ian and I came to the grocery store to get a couple things, and are you kidding? That sounds disgusting. Like, not even remotely appetizing, just disgusting. So we're gonna go to the dog park for a little bit before Ian has to leave for work so that Luna can get some playtime in. It's really nice outside. It's like probably in the 60s, high 60s. Feels really nice. You gotta poop? Shift to poop? Yeah, she has to poop. That's exactly what's happening. She's about to squat. No, she's got to poop. Look at her body language.
Look at her body language.
She's so silly. Luna.
Luna. Luna.
You can't underhand it, you gotta overhand it. See? That was like a twist in the air, baby.